Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to this Profit Video review. We're going to be taking a close look at Profit Video in this review, and also, most importantly, I'll also be showing you the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving away to get you the best possible results with Profit Video. This is my bonus page. You find the link to this page in the description of this video. And Profit Video goes live on the 23rd of September by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So Profit Video is a cloud-based software that does a number of things. It contains a video maker that allows you to make videos, and this is so easy to use. Anybody can use this to make some high quality videos, whether you're doing marketing videos, training videos, illustration videos, or any kind of video that you want to edit. So you can actually just come here, you can import media here, which you can come and place annotations on, add subtitles to, add text on, add watermark. You can cut the video, you can crop the video, and basically edit video. And you can basically just go ahead and select a video, place in the clipboard. Once you click on place in clipboard, you actually add that video to the clipboard, meaning you can actually add a bunch of videos together right here, which you can actually use for your which you can actually edit. You can put all this together, you can edit and export as one piece of video, which is awesome. But that's just one thing. It also gives you access to screen recorder that allows you to record your screen. You can easily record your screen. If I click on start recording screen, it's going to ask me if I want to record the entire screen or the window or the Chrome tab, which is pretty awesome. And it also has the cam recorder that basically allows you, to record yourself with your webcam, with your computer webcam, and that's actually some pretty stuff right there. But right now I'm going to be showing you the custom bonuses that I've actually put together to get you the best results with Profit Video. And my bonus number one, I'm going to be giving you access to my recently launched software with Jake and Ugo. Now, this is a cloud-based traffic software that allows you to use other people's video legally and drive a ton of traffic to any link or any website you want to send people to. So you're going to be able to place elements on videos. Now you're going to be able to do this, and you will be able to make these elements show up exactly where you want them to show up, either at the beginning of the video or at the middle of the video, or exactly where you want them to show up. You're going to be able to do this. You're going to be able to add custom forms on videos. You'll be able to add images on videos. It also comes with done for you buy buttons, done for you call to action buttons that you can actually use to drive a ton of traffic from these videos. So this allows you to use other people's video, meaning you don't have to even create content by yourself. And this allows you to drive completely free traffic. And also it contains features that even allow you to get paid just on clicks, even without having to promote affiliate offers, which is cool. You are going to be getting the pro version of Virafig as my first bonus. Bonus number two, you are going to be getting access to custom HD intro videos. Now, intro videos are actually effective, especially for marketing or for getting people's attention in general, because this is what your audience would see first before your content, and this does the job of getting people, getting people's attention and just trying to get them to stay on your video. So you're going to be getting access to some high quality HD intro videos, which you can go and use on any project. Also, bonus number three, you're going to be getting access to another one of my cloud-based software. This was launched in June. This is Octagon. You are also going to be getting access to the pro version, which gives you done for you ClickBank and Warrior Plus product reviews. These are high converting product reviews. And the first thing you need to do once you get access to your Octagon Pro is to go and get your ClickBank affiliate ID, which is essentially your ClickBank username. Just come and add it here, and then all the done for you ClickBank product reviews become active with your own affiliate links. This also comes with done for you traffic, so you don't have to stress yourself with traffic, and also comes with traffic training that shows you especially how to drive some high quality buyer traffic to your product reviews. This also allows you to create unlimited campaigns. Bonus number 4, you're going to be getting access to done for you PowerPoint video templates. These are templates that don't need any special software for you to customize them. All you need to do is load them up in PowerPoint, and then you can customize this text, you can change images, and once you hit the export button on PowerPoint, you'll be able to create MP4 videos you can go and use on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, YouTube, or any other social media platform that allows you to post videos. Also, bonus number 5, you're going to be getting access to a cloud-based software that gives you access to done for you high quality custom affiliate marketing squeeze page template. Now, all you need to do once you get your access is to slap in your affiliate links, and then you are good to go. You'll be getting access to done for you lead magnets that are proven to make people give you their email addresses. Now, you are going to be creating curiosity with the titles, which you can easily customize once you get access. People would want to give you their email addresses in order to see what you have to offer on the other side. So this allows you to make money with affiliate marketing. This also comes with training on free traffic to get some high quality buyers, and then you can actually build your list with these buyers and also at the same time make money with affiliate marketing. And also bonus number 6, you'll be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also. And there's a ton of bonuses you are going to be getting from the vendor. There's a ton of them right here, just to let you know that you are going to be getting all these bonuses in addition to my own bonuses to get you the best results with ProfitVideo. Now, all you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. If you click on any of these red buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page of ProfitVideo. This is where you are going to be able to pick up ProfitVideo, and where you are going to be getting full information about the ProfitVideo software. So these bonuses are going to be waiting for you in your purchase receipt in your members area of Warrior Plus. Once you log in, just go to your purchases. You see ProfitVideo. You also see my own bonuses right next to your purchase. So right here on the sales page of ProfitVideo, it says create, edit, and sell unlimited videos for a low one-time price. Brand new Camtasia Killer software lets you record, screen capture, and edit videos in the cloud within minutes. Say goodbye to expensive and complex video editors or having to pay others for your videos. So this goes live on 23rd of September by 11 a.m. Eastern time. So anytime from then, you'll be able to come pick up ProfitVideo right here. And also feel free to come check out this sales page in your own time. There's a ton of information right here, and it also comes with proof of results. So this is pretty easy to use. Once you are done with your video creation, all you need to do is click on create video. So the project is empty right now. Let me select a bunch of videos right here. Let me place them in the clipboard. Let me select one more, place in clipboard. So we have some videos right here in clipboard, and then if you click on create video now, you can actually give your video a name. and then you can actually select the quality of video you want to export, and you have a bunch of sizes here for your quality. You can also select the format, you can also select the aspect ratio, you can also choose an audio background that you can actually use for your videos, and then you can click on create and allow this to actually render your video for you, which is pretty easy to use. You also get access to training here where you're going to find help and actually see how to use the ProfitVideo software, which is pretty easy to use anyways. So that's my review of ProfitVideo. Right now I'm going to show you the pricing and the optional upgrades that come with ProfitVideo. The front end goes for a one-time fee of $17, and then to the optional upgrades you have the ProfitVideo Pro Edition that goes for $37. You'll be able to decline that and pick that up for $27. The second optional upgrade is the ProfitVideo Enterprise Edition that goes for $47. You'll be able to decline that and pick that up for $37. The third one is the ProfitVideo Done For You Edition that goes for $39. You can decline and pick up for $29. The fourth optional upgrade is the ProfitVideo Reseller Edition that goes for $97. You'll be able to decline that and pick it up for just $67. The final upgrade is the ProfitVideo IMX bundle that goes for $197. Then you can decline that and pick that up for $97. So that's going to be my review of ProfitVideo. You are going to be able to check a full demo. You are going to be able to find a full demo right here on this bonus page also. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.